Core 3, January 2014, question 5a, parametric equations. So I'm going to rewrite these. Cot theta equals x over 2. Sine theta equals 3 minus y. Cosec theta is 1 over sine theta, so that's 1 over 3 minus y. And cot squared theta plus 1 equals cosec squared theta. So x over 2 all squared plus 1 is equal to 1 over 3 minus y all squared. Part 2, we're asked to find where it crosses the y-axis, and it crosses the y-axis when x equals 0. So substituting that in, it's when 1 equals 1 over 3 minus y all squared. So that's when 3 minus y all squared has to equal 1. Taking square roots, 3 minus y can equal 1, which means that y is 2, or 3 minus y could equal the negative square root minus 1, which means that y must be 4. So it crosses the y-axis at 0, 2 and 0, 4. B is part 1, it's a differentiation question, and it's a quotient rule. And in the quotient rule, we label the numerator u, and we need to differentiate that, which gives us 1 over x. We label the denominator v, and we need to know the differential of that, which is 6x. Quotient rule tells us that dy dx is v du dx minus u dv dx all over v squared. And please remember to square the 3 here. So that's 9x to the power 4. Next stage in this is to simplify. So if I expand the first bracket, I have 3x with minus 6x upon ln x minus 1 all over 9x to the power 4. Factorising the top line, that's 3x upon 1 minus 2 ln x plus 2 all over 9x to the power 4. Cancelling, 3 and 9 give me 3. X and x to the power 4, I'm going to have x cubed. So I have 3 minus 2 ln x all over 3x cubed. Part 2, we're asked to integrate, and we can't integrate until we simplify the expression. I'm going to start by expanding the brackets in the top. Square the first term, e to the power 4x. Then find their product. So I'm going to add the powers, and that's going to give me e to the x. Multiply that by 2. And then square the last term, e to the minus 2x. And that's all divided by e to the x. E to the 4x divided by e to the x is e to the 3x. The e to the x cancels in the second term, and in the third we have minus 2x, take away x. So that is going to be e to the minus 3x. So if I integrate that, e to the 3x becomes 1/3 e to the 3x. Minus 2 integrates to give minus 2x. E to the minus 3x integrates to give minus 1/3 e to the minus 3x. And we must remember in the end to put in our constant of integration.